Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Library not showing all your games. If you open Steam and notice that some of your games are missing from your library, it can be frustrating and confusing. In most cases, the games have not actually been removed from your account. Instead, the issue is usually caused by filters, hidden games, library settings, account problems, or Steam failing to refresh your game list correctly. Open Steam and go to the Library tab. Check the search bar and clear any text entered, as search filters can hide games. Also, click the filter button next to the search bar and make sure options like installed locally or other categories are not active. Clear any filters and refresh the library view. Another common cause is hidden games. To check for hidden titles, click View in the top menu bar and select Hidden Games. If your missing game appears there, right-click it and choose Manage, then select Remove from Hidden. The game should immediately return to your main library. If the games are still missing, verify that you are signed in to the correct Steam account. Click your account name in the top right corner of Steam and confirm that you are using the account that originally purchased or activated the games. Many users accidentally sign in to a different account and think their games have disappeared. You should also check whether Steam Family Sharing is affecting what you see. If you previously accessed games through another account's library and that sharing access was removed, those games may no longer appear in your library. Next, restart Steam by clicking Steam in the top left corner and selecting Exit, then reopen it. This often refreshes your library and restores missing games. If your games are installed on another drive, go to Steam, then Settings, then Storage, and make sure all your Steam library folders are listed. If a library folder is missing, add it back so Steam can detect your installed games. You can also repair an existing library folder. In the Storage section, click the three-dot menu next to the library location and choose Repair Library. Steam will scan the folder and attempt to restore any missing game entries. Finally, if the issue affects recently purchased games, check your purchase history by clicking your account name in the top right corner, selecting Account Details, and then View Purchase History. Confirm that the purchase was completed successfully and that the game is attached to your account. After completing these steps, your missing games should reappear in the Steam library. In most cases, the problem is caused by filters, hidden games, incorrect library folders, or account-related issues rather than lost purchases. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.